The fridge in my kitchen is chilling food for me, and the noise that it makes keeps me company. Normally if I eat it's just after 7, so that's when I open my audible possession. I'll take something choice to slake my appetite, then sit by my fridge for the rest of the night. My fridge likes to rattle at a frantic pace, and she sounds like a car in a Grand Prix race. There's nowhere else that I want to be, and I know my fridge feels the same about me. My contact details are at www.christianmisconceptions.co.uk.